Mr. Dale was stabbed in the chest. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. In other news, things are returning to normal in Montego Bay, St. James following Wednesday's flood. The parish council has been working with the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) to clear the streets of mud and debris. But an old issue has resurfaced: the poor garbage disposal habits of citizens. A city on the mend. Most roads in the downtown Montego Bay area are now clear and are now accessible to motorists and pedestrians. Crews have been working overtime to return life into the city center, sections of which were closed after the flood. The water not only washed away vehicles and property, but the extent of the garbage problem in Montego Bay was again brought to light. After the cleanup, piles of waste lined the streets. The NSWMA is hoping to have it cleared up before the start of the work week. But there's also a raging argument whether the NSWMA has been lagging behind in garbage collection in St. James or whether citizens are to be blamed for poor garbage disposal habits.
They're not cleaning it properly. No way.
Why?
Because I live in at Rose Heights and I don't live in Montego Bay. I live in at Rose Heights, and for months they not come up there. Right now, if you go up on that Rosemount Garden scheme, it is a disgrace.
Yes, they don't come in time, but still yet, we can use our judgment. Because then give we the number for call and all of that. Even though sometimes we call them not come, but on the other hand, we still can't blame them. Because I really throw it. Sometimes we see the skit and we're not throwing at the skit. Not me personal, but some don't throw it in the skit, they throw it on the ground.
After touring the area Thursday, local government minister Desmond McKenzie also had concerns about the garbage problems in downtown Montego Bay. He again warned that tougher measures are coming for litter bugs.
There will be weeping and wailing and moaning and gnashing of teeth next year when we introduce the new litter fine in this country. Okay? It is coming, and it is coming in a way that we are going to ensure that it is enforced.
Several factors have been highlighted about what led to Wednesday's flooding. With proper garbage disposal among the reasons, time will tell whether there will be a change in attitude by citizens.